My mom is 58 years old. She's never day traded before in her life. And I bet by the end of this year, she will be a more successful day trader than 95% of people trying to do it. And I'll tell you why. Because she told me to set up her account, get her going. She's going to learn along the way, but she knows that she will get in her own way because I know that I get in my own way when it comes to day trading. So she purchased, I didn't give it to her. I made her buy a lifetime membership. She got in at the $5.99 price because I don't give away anything for free unless it's free accounts to the community in Discord. That's it. I'll pull up the receipts if you want to see it. But she bought her own lifetime membership, and all she asked was, Aaron, since I'm your mom, will you please set it up for me? To which that I agreed to because it's my mom. She bought 15 different prop firm accounts, mainly Lucid, Apex, and Tradeify. My mom just celebrated her 58th birthday. So my mom has never day traded in her entire life. She's always been in the corporate world. She's never actually done any kind of day trading. She just was seeing the strategies I was building. She was trying to learn it, just doing YouTube stuff, and wanted to figure out what to do. So I want to show you what her accounts have done with the QC trend indicator and with the QuantCrawler signals strategy that is released. So her presets that she has is QC trend right here. She has it on the 1 minute time frame. And when she scalps, this is all she's doing. She's waiting for it to flip bearish. She enters in following the signal path. Her rule of thumb that she does, she always does a 75-point stop loss, one contract on MNQ, which would be a $150 loss. And she lets it run basically. She didn't end up catching the bottom on this, but you can see right here, it printed the bearish pill. And this indicator that you're seeing right here, by the way, this is free for all QuantCrawler members. You can be on a 30-day trial or just a $9.99 plan. All you have to do is input your TradingView username, and every 30 minutes on a cycle, it adds everybody who submits their usernames. So she would have entered in this trade right here. I was talking to her over coffee this morning. This is how she builds it and runs it. She waits for one of these pills. She sets a 75-point stop loss and she lets it run. She wouldn't have caught the bottom because chances are of catching the actual bottom is crazy. But if you were to let this one run, this would have been a 75-point stop to a 432-point move for a 1 to 5.77 risk to reward. But then you can see here in situations like this, you would have then had this print right here. You would have entered in a 75-point stop and you would have been stopped out right here. And then it would have flipped. So it doesn't work on every single one, but it's also over here catching another very good flip right here. So depending on your risk level, how you do it, how you take the signals, this is on another 1 to almost 3 right now, but you would have got caught here. These would have been losses. So you would have had some losses. You would have recovered, right? But this is just how she's been teaching herself how to use the indicator. So the other piece that she does is she uses the QuantCrawler Signals MNQ 5-minute preset strategy. So that's up here. You can see this is running some back tests. I'm going to just drop this down off the strategy report. But right here, last night, she has this set up in Ghost and the Trade Copier to fan out to her fleet. And it took this trade automated. She wasn't even here. So this is how she has her tickers set up within Ghost. She is using the signals on MNQ and on MGC. MGC did not fire. She's running 4 contracts on MNQ because she's trying to pass these evaluations. This trade took. And then here is her signals trade copier for last night while she was asleep. On the day, she's up $3,669.04 across all of these accounts. You can also tell by the balances here that she took the 2 losses at the beginning of the week, unfortunately, on the signals preset because her funded account, she automated these. Her funded account is down $600. It recovered a little bit today. She has an Apex funded account as well that is trade copying, and she's getting close to all of these other Lucid accounts and Tradeify passing on some of them. She's about $600 away on these. She's about $1,200 away, $1,400 away on some, and then like $1,700, $1,800 on others. So she's stacking accounts. And again, she's never day traded before in her entire life. She's already got 2 funded accounts, and she is just automating the QuantCrawler signals preset that I built. So she took this one, and then these are the 2 losses that I was referring to that started our week. So that's not the greatest. She took those head on, 4 contracts a piece. It was automated. She didn't even know what happened. She actually doesn't even know how her accounts do unless I tell her. I just send her a screenshot and say, hey, mom, you had a pretty good day today. But these are her fleet. They're running, they're automating. And then to break down the strategy over the date range that I optimize this in Python, it's April 1 to, we'll just run it through current just to see the full results. So at her 4 contracts that she runs this on from April 1 of 2025 to July 7, we are slightly over the drawdown limit that these prop firms would allow at 2405, but she basically told me run them pretty aggressive. There's no reason not to. I have the money to reset the accounts if I need to. So with that being known, the stats are $50,227 in the last 15 months, drawdown of 2,405, profitable trades of 62.54%, and a profit factor of 1.616. If we then break this down to a smaller time frame in the last 90 days, the strategy made $12,856.08, drawdown of $2,387 for an almost 67% win rate and a profit factor of 1.9. And then the last 30 days, a total P&L $4,438.32 for a max drawdown of $1,135.10, 32 trades for an almost 69% win rate and a profit factor of 2.092. So the point of this video is I'm logged in here. I will show you guys as well. When I come down here to the bottom left and I click profile, this is my mom's account right here. This is not my account. This is my 58-year-old mother who has never day traded before in her life and always been a part of corporate America with 2 funded accounts, more on the way, and these accounts are actively growing, and she will pass all of these evaluations within the next 2 weeks. The way this strategy performs, the way that everything moves, all of these accounts will be funded accounts within the next 2 to 3 weeks max before these accounts expire after 30 days, and her funded accounts will be payout ready at that same time as well. I almost guarantee it. She's also got another funded account. I'm sorry, she has 2 Lucid funded accounts plus an Apex funded account. All I have her set up on is MGC 5-minute and MNQ 5-minute, and that's it. Those are her only setups, her only automations, and she's going to be taking payouts before the end of July. So the point of this is if my mom can do it, you can do it. All you have to do is get the strategy, pick the one you want to run, come over into Ghost, set up your tickers exactly like this, exactly how you want it, link your trade copier with all of your accounts, and then stay out of your own way and let it run. Like I said, my mom doesn't even know when a trade happens on her account. She doesn't care. She doesn't want to know because she knows she will get in her own way, just like the majority of day traders do. They think they know what the market's going to do. They overtrade and then everything reverses. They get in a bad spot, they revenge trade, and they just can't stay out of their own way. My mom, who has never done this before, will be a more successful day trader than 95% of people trying and staring at charts all day long because she stays out of her own way.